Hey guys, Danny here. I'm going to do a quick video because I just found something that's really cool. And this is really for our Eureka Smart Chain group. And because we're getting ready to launch Eureka Smart Chain on Polygon Network, I was just watching Whiteboard Crypto. They've got a YouTube channel. It's a great channel for learning about all kinds of stuff, crypto. And they were talking about how to get some free MATIC on Polygon. And and it's matic.supply. That's all you got to type into your address bar up there. Click. Make sure you got your MetaMask wallet open. All right. Up here, make sure you are on your Polygon mainnet. First, you click I am human. Ba-da-ba-dang. For human buses here. There's another one. Verify. Okay, then you hit connect, that big button right there, then just hit receive. Now it says you already have a sufficient balance to use Polygon Network, because down here you see my balance, I have 2.938. But if you're having trouble getting some MATIC into your wallet to use the Polygon Network, this is pretty cool. So there you go, then you're off and running. I don't know how much they're going to give you, but I guess it's enough to do some transactions. It's very cheap on the Polygon Network, so that's enough to get you started, guys. There you go, free MATIC right into your MetaMask wallet. Love it. That's it for me. Bye.